Jesus Christ. Off on a lightning strike, you know.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Feel sorry for his house it is, bloody hell.
Yeah.
Chances it was that electrical thing there at the top.
Yeah.
Bloody hell.
Yeah.
Do you know his house it is, right?
No, I've been past it a few times.
Yeah, same.
Nothing like it.
No. Not neighbouring house, I don't think.
I think it's just spread there to the electric.
I was going to say the lights have just gone off and everything.
Oh, roof's on.
Bloody hell, roof gone in.